I'm tired of this. Once and for all. Foota, hear me what you do. Monetize your page. Make a YouTube page. Monetize it. Because you think them go viral because I watch them and them interesting. See? But everything will go viral is a different blogger page where I watch it and them make the money. Big up all the blogger them where I make the money off of Foota hype every day. Monetize your page. It name Google AdSense. Look it up. Google AdSense. Monetize your page. So that when you go viral, you actually make a piece of food. So it don't look so bad. Because if you just get up every day so and you talk about Vybz and Kartel and you want people to hate them, and we not hate them, bro. Nobody not gonna hate them. See, whatever personal thing you and them have, it's just a nice story if you listen to your chat and hear what you're going to say next. But the things what you say, it make as big man now we start looking to yourself and say, yo, man have 10 mortgage, 20 rent, 50 car, back to school. How that man still feel like say them money for just pay him. Brother, them not go pay you and people not go care. No matter what you say, we not go care. It's just fun. So make sure you say, you did boss man and you say you boss man and this man and you boss and them owe you. Boss yourself, you're not dead, you know you have life.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know the deal. My peeps, me there so for talk about what's trending from what is not your side. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's just kick it off with Konshens and Foota because as you can see, you know, he's trending once again because he's the viral king. And you know, he's embroiled in whatever he in with Vybz Kartel. This is what I say, and to be honest with you, Kartel is winning the battle because it's not a good look. Being invested in people's business and you're pitting them is not profiting from it. So, you know, Konshens is giving him some good advice, but it's kind of redundant because he already has all of these platforms. It's what I say. But every man have a right for them own destiny, and I think he knows what he's doing. It's what I say. I just give him an update. Konshens, I try to style him neatly. You see what I say? So you know Foota gonna give him one submarine attack because you know say some deep sea business Foota say Konshens, and you see me. So anyway, people, let's proceed to the next trending topic, and after that with Elephant Man. As you can see, every boss and the whole dancehall community is giving him a beating. You see what I say? But he has since, you know, answered to all the backlash, and you know the joke is really on Uno. You see what I say?
Peace and love, peace and love. Well, I'm here to just address something. There's a video going around on social media. I'm here to address it, explain to the fans how this thing goes. The cameraman now, cause him and the cameraman. Apology to the cameraman was given on the stage and off the stage. When he was videoing, I went, you know me, how we perform, so I went there and said, move, cameraman, move. No disrespect. Never meant to be taken. No disrespect to the cameraman. I apologize to him a million times. When him get up and him went back side of Super Hype, right where the DJ booth was, I stopped the show and I said, cameraman, I apologize.
Hold on. Me done. Now follow me, boy, you're broken on. Don't go so. Big up yourselves. No disrespect. We just have entertain the people.
I don't want nobody take it out of context, think that I'm disrespecting you. And secondly, fire. The person who you say I push off stage, fire. He have been working with me for over 25 going to 30 years now. He's a part of my team. He was the one who have the signal, the playing stick, and he might work with me from him ear black till it white now. Fire, that's how long.
Yeah man, it's a part-time promotion. We tour the world with Elephant. We go all over with Elephant. Elephant use water and throw up a stage in a performance. Him throw up everybody up and say, come up on the stage. And some girl come up and then him come up. Him say, you come up on it. So all with them I take and I go on. And I said this and I said that. I said my foot broke. See me and my hearty. No do me. No do me. My hearty. So me don't want them feel like nothing do me. My hearty is a part-time performance. Worldwide. Me tour the world with him. Me got Japan. The first time I got Japan. Some Japanese company stage. Him man say, fire, give me water. We wait them up. Come up on me stage. And throw them off. So, me don't know them I take this out of proportion. Eh? Yeah, see, that's the area. Here. Yo. He met me. So, me don't want no man come go on like them. I come. One biblical youth, me them I come with this now. Eh?
When I pushed fire off the stage, he came back up And when he came on the stage, I wet him up again and he wet me up. When me I said, wet me up, wet me up, wet me up. Everybody take a cup, take a cup, take a cup. You understand? And I just come to apologize to the fans them who I use some profanity words, and I apologize for that. I apologize for that a million times.
And this is why I said the joke was on Uno, because if you know anything about Elephant Man, him the real name not really get caught up in a them type of bagger and the disrespectful thing. You see what I'm saying? This is why we said 12 hours ago. He was just joking, you know what I mean? And you know, some Jamaicans, when them joke rough. You see what I say? But it's all love at the end of the day, and you can see him apologize to the cameraman and not let him know, say, fire upon the team at work and I get him good money, you see me? Alright people, we get another world exclusive. Dancehall artist Squash is embroiled in another lawsuit, you see me I say, and this time he is the defendant and he is being sued for over $30,000 for, I don't want to say breach of contract, but failure to provide service. You see me I say, one girl did meet him at one better than music video set and approached him and say, yo, want to do a collab. You see, man, I said the girls shell off $10,000 down payment and things. You know what I mean? I'm not going to read out the evidence that you see in front of you. Can press pause and read it to yourself. It's just a little bit, but they showed, you know, communications with Squash. Basically giving her the running round, come meet you, so you know something happened, me drop a statement, the two junk with voice, you know the running round business. So Squash responded and said, you know, I like the gal I tell. You see me I say, we can't read what she has said, but everything is false, you feel me? So that's when the homegirl came back and, you know, write up the thing them. You see me I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. One bag of sentencing, so you know he was able to be served because obviously he has his address at, you know, the prison in Louisiana. You see my says, so the girl served him, he responded. She forward back with what you see in front of you with more detail and written out because we couldn't read the chicken scratch button. You know what I mean? The girl said she incurred a lot of, you know, financial debt with this venture and it have upon one high value chain. You see me say, and you can see Squash responding, you know, on the DMs them because she get black and all of this stuff saying, I style, man. You see me say, if you want your money, go get it back from J-Bads and all of these things. You see me, but J-Bads never, yeah. So, I that go on, you see me say, my people. If anything else, we'll let you know. So, we're going to end the live here, but you already know the deal. Big up on yourself, you see me? Bless.